Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So today I want to do like a little Sunday reset. Woke up like at 8:30. Now I'm gonna kind of do like a morning cleanup. Look at these heatless curls. Like, I will never stop doing heatless curls. I wake up so cute. Good morning. Before I continue my Sunday reset, we're gonna go pick up some stuff from Danny's parents' house. So I just wanna do a little bit of a skincare. Putting on all my toners. Some little gold hoops. Gonna put on some vitamin C. I ran out of my vitamin C. And of course, wear your sunscreen, guys. Lastly, I've been using Korean skincare. So I'm gonna try their peptide eye cream. And then you cannot forget the lip gloss. Let's start the Sunday reset now. Something that has been on my list to do is clean my makeup brushes. I kid you not. I have literally been saying that I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes for like a month, and today's the day. Got the brushes all clean. Now I'm just gonna clean up their handles. The makeup brushes are done, so now I'm gonna put my sheets in the dryer and then load another sheet because we do have a big pile of laundry that, that needs to be done. actually don't use fabric softener or liquid detergent anymore. I use Molly Suds, and this is from Amazon.
Why this one too?
Nice candles since we're about to mop so it can smell good. Something I always neglect is cleaning the floors in our restroom. And there is, I know you guys can't see, but there's a lot of hairs in the restroom. This is a place I forget. I don't know why. If you guys know, my floors are white, so a lot of people are always like, how do you mop them and how do you keep them, you know, shiny? Dude, if we didn't have dogs, they would look so nice all the time. But since we have the dogs and they're constantly running in and out, it's dusty, we gotta sweep every day. I always clean a little each day, you know? A little counter wipe down, vacuum. The next day I'll do laundry, you know? And then that way I have like those cleans or like the deep cleans every like couple of weeks. This is what I use to mop. So I use cleaning vinegar. I got this on Amazon. And then I personally like pine sol. So we're gonna mix those two. And I know you're not supposed to be mixing cleaning products, but I'm gonna keep it real with you. That's what I do. And then I also mix, and this is like, and I also mix in some alcohol because this is what dries up the solution very fast. Because I feel like I would mop and then it would be streaky, so I'm like, oh, why is it streaky? This is to make the water dry up really fast. I really feel like alcohol is what helped with the streakiness. The beer bong in the back is me. But I mix these three. But one thing about me is that during the day, I don't like to turn on the lights. I like to just like open the blinds and get, you know, that sunlight in. I literally don't start turning on the lights around the house until the sun's like setting. So now I got the lights on. Snack break, a little Rice Krispie with peanut butter, a little bit of cinnamon, and some honey. It's 9:15. The house is clean. Danny made us a little dinner, just ground beef with a salad. And we had some old bananas that were brown, so I figured I wouldn't let them go to waste. So I decided to make some banana cookies. But yeah, paper plates and a paper fork because I do not feel like cleaning anymore. The kitchen is closed. Okay, these are the banana cookies. I added walnuts and then like a few white chocolate chips. Now to officially close the kitchen. Okay, it's now about to be 10 o'clock. I'm about to jump in the shower, but that is gonna wrap up my little Sunday reset. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys on next week's video. Bye guys!